Good morning, students. Let's settle down for science lecture. This is our second part of lesson 1. Do you remember that? The lesson name is Our Earth and Our Solar System. In today's lecture, we will see solar system in more details. In this dark sky, if you observe some bright bodies which are not twinkling with the help of telescope. As shown here, this is telescopic view of the sky. In this, we can see 5 non-twinkling bright bodies. They are all planets of our solar system. You must have heard one proverb, that is, the sky is the limit. What does that mean? The sky has no end, isn't it? The sky is a part of space. In this space, there are many stars like our sun, maybe more powerful, more giant than our sun. They also have their family like our sun has the family, that is solar system. In the space, if anything is moving or anything is stationary, it is only under the influence of gravitational force. In the space, there is no air, but there is gravity. Due to this gravitational force, these bright bodies appears like suspended or hanging in the sky. Let's see how it works on these bright bodies. This is a game called tug of war. If both sides the forces are equal, then the object would not move anywhere. The objects which are stationary in the space are due to equal and opposite gravitational force are acting on it. More is the mass, more is the gravitational force, that is, more is the pull. Here we can see that the movement is towards more stronger side or more massive side. Every object which has mass exert force on each other, and it depends on how much mass does it has. Here we consider one example, an earth and an apple. Which one is more massive, an apple or an earth? Of course, our earth. Hence, the earth's gravitational force pulls the apple down. Look at these objects. There is sun, that is 2 giant, and our 8 planets. 1% of the sun's total mass is distributed among these 8 planets as well as asteroids and dwarf planets. As we have seen that more is the mass, more will be the pull. That is, more is the mass, more will be the gravitational force. Over here, sun has the highest gravitational force. Everybody exerts gravitational force on each other, but the influence can be seen is due to the sun. Due to this influence, we can see all these planets are situated around the sun like shown in this picture. Let us quickly see how the planets were formed in the solar system. When the planets were formed, their matter were rotating around itself as well as rotating around the sun. After a few years, these matters come together, and due to their own gravitational force, they form into the structure of sphere. And all these are we see in spherical shape, but in different sizes. The planets are moving around itself. It is called rotation, and the period of rotation is different for different planets. These planets also move around the sun. That movement is called revolution. The period of revolution is different for different planet. Planet revolve around the sun in definite path. That path is called orbit. The orbit is of the shape of ellipse, and the ellipse is the elongated circle as we see in the picture. Let us travel from the sun and visit each and every planet in our solar system. The first planet we visit is Mercury. The second planet is Venus. Third planet is Earth. Then comes Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and then Neptune. The first and closest planet to the Sun is Mercury. It has no moon. Second planet is Venus. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Third planet is our Earth, and it is the only planet which has life on it. Fourth planet is Mars. It is also called as red planet. Jupiter is the fifth planet, and it is the most giant planet in the solar system. It is the third brightest object in the sky. Sixth planet of the solar system is Saturn. It is famous for its beautiful ring. Uranus is the seventh planet, and eighth planet is Neptune. Both are cold planets. Let's stop here, students. We will complete the rest of the lesson in the next lecture. Okay? Till then, complete the task right on your screen. We'll meet again. Bye-bye.